Hi guys, hello, how are you doing? I'm fine. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Anne Atieno. Very nice to meet you. So do not forget, I'm sorry guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here, if you haven't subscribed yet, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And yeah, if you haven't joined the family yet, please join the family. It's such a good experience when you're here with us, and like having fun to meeting all of you and having all of you as a family. Anyways, today I'm here with my friend, a friend of mine. She's called Val. Val, come here.
Hey, hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Subscribe, click, share, comment down below. We are at Kitengela hot glass. It's super pretty, amazing. Yep. Yeah, it's good, it's cool. So guys, I'll be showing you around. I'll be showing you how things are here, how things are done, and you can come over here and have some fun. And charges ain't that much, guys. It's very much affordable. Yeah. So Val will be taking you all along and I'll be here with you too, okay? So see you when okay guys, I'll be showing you some things over here, because hey, over here, like, things are so cute. I don't know how they're making things here, but they look so awesome. So yo tune in. So guys, let me show you around the Kitengela hot glass and the stuffs they have here. So they generally make the things from glass. They transform glass into different things. They are basically made from glass. Like they have this pretty fruit bowl that
wow,
it's just so amazing.
Shit,
yep.
It looks so good.
It feels so nice. Then we have the chimneys. Remember those old lamps?
Yeah, sure.
So ancient, so pretty too. And we have this, we used to call it a flat bottomed something in chemistry. We used to call it flat bottom.
I don't know. I've forgotten. Yeah, flat bottomed flask. Yeah, that's the name.
They are also made from glass. Even the decorations are made from glass.
Yeah, they look so nice.
We have our wine glasses here.
Yeah, what about this other stuff over here? You haven't explained those ones.
We have this, I don't know which animal is this. So the decorations are also made from glass.
They look so cute.
And then we have this mirror.
Wow.
It's just so amazing.
Yeah.
And also we have our jug, a glass jug here.
Oh, so cute.
So pretty. And I don't know how they're able.
Wow, is that a bottle?
Yeah, this is the Coca-Cola bottle.
Wow,
so
let me see.
I don't know how they're able to flatten it.
Damn, yeah, it looks so cute.
It looks so cute. Yeah, and we have this here. It's like a cup. It's just so amazing. This is which animal is this? This is an elephant. So they've decorated the handle with an elephant.
Wow.
Yep, and then we have this platter.
Oh, that looks so cute.
So generally, basically everything is from glass here.
Yeah, sure.
And
What about those ones? Those are also glasses.
These are painting. If this is a glass, this is.
No, the other ones. The other ones. They look so plastic.
This one.
No, the ones on tops, yeah.
Oh.
Did I just say on tops anyway? Oh, they're glass. Wow, it looks like plastic.
Very nice wine glass. Yeah, and it goes for 700 shillings. They're also selling this.
Yeah, they're selling.
This goes for 700 shillings. And then we have the Cascalite vinegar bottle that has been flattened.
Wow, guys.
The house.
This is a good decor. Yeah.
The things are affordable, and we also have this portrait. Wow, this is evolution of man, and this is pure glass. The evolution of man. It's a portrait, and it's so pretty. Yeah, basically wow, these shoes.
I know. I'd seen these shoes earlier and they look so cute, but though they are heavy. These are just for decor, right?
Yeah, these are glass shoes. They could be go for 2,000 shillings. They're so heavy.
Yeah, they are heavy, especially those ones, the Timberlands. Are they the Timberlands or what are they?
These ones go for 6,000 shillings.
And they're so cute.
They're so cute. And we have this frog portrait here. Going for 2,000 is a frog.
Wow, guys, the price is 2,000 shillings.
Yeah,
You can see there, and it looks so cute.
It looks so cute. So you can just see around this one, the camera can see around this place. It's so beautiful. You can see the decor. It's just amazing.
Wow, look at this monkey. Oh, it looks so cute.
And then you have their mini library here. Then you also have these artifacts. It's so nice. And then you have their mini library here. Yes, the Nairobi National Park Group, the Coney Museum of Glass, mini library. They're so beautiful. Then we have this. Our backdrop is super amazing. So basically, they're showing that what is in there. But we have something else here. We have this.
What is that?
It's a glass rod. This is a glass rod.
Wow.
And then we have at this free at snakes too. I can't buy some.
Really?
It goes for 1,500 shillings. Yeah, basically that is that. So I'll just show you around so that you can come visit and check it out for yourself.
So guys, literally everything here is for decoration, and they look so nice. Everything is made of glass, yeah, right?
Yep.
So everything is literally made of glass, and I think there are others that are made of plastic and they're on the other side, which we haven't gone yet. So guys, if you want to buy anything from here, you can just come along and see for yourself. Yeah. So guys, we are heading off to the bridge. I don't know how the bridge looks like, but we are being led by that guy in front of us. So we just being hopeful that won't be that scared, because I've been told that the bridge is so scary. So let's just wait and see. So this is the route that's leading us to the bridge, and guys, as you can see, this place is so steepy I mean, but it's okay, we can manage. So, you know, we can manage. We are hard workers, okay? So guys, we are here on the bridge, and I don't know if I'm scared or I'm just okay, but as you can see, this bridge is so scary. So I think you guys just come with me. You guys,
Wow. Okay.
this is the most scariest thing ever in my life. I don't know if I can do. Is this a canopy bridge or what?
I don't know what it's called. They said it's a dangling bridge, something like
A
that.
dangling bridge.
Yep.
Wow, this is so dangling.
It's so danglish.
Goodness. Wow, it is scary.
Yep, it's
So scary. So scary. Anyway, I just feel like you guys should come here and see.
it's just super
I
amazing.
can't explain for you. Just come and test for yourself. Come and see how it feels like.
And you can look
it
how
feels.
far.
Yeah, just see. Ebu come this way and ukionyesha like this. Hey, Val.
Yep.
The more we go, the tougher it becomes.
Yeah.
I think we should just record and then like finish. Guys, tuonane huko mwisho jumie just can't.
Ooh, I feel like the camera is just going to fall.
The camera will fall down. And what will we use? Wow.
This is not Bali in Indonesia. This is Kitengela
Kenya, Kajiado County.
Yep, it's called Kitengela glass. What something?
I've forgotten.
I don't know.